Hi, this is Joshua Topham from Seller Labs, and this is the first video in our Data Hub training course videos. This will be part one in connecting and troubleshooting. And really my goal in this video is just to show you how to find and install the add-on in Google Sheets. Okay, so very quickly I've just opened up a blank Google Sheet here, as you can see. I'll come up here to Extensions, Add-ons, Get Add-ons. Very simple. Up here in the search bar, I'm going to type Seller space Labs. There's only going to be one option. That's the one we want. I'll go ahead and click on that. And then we're going to install here. It's important to note you might see an admin install. That would install it on every Google account in your organization. For this video, I'll just show you a normal install. Click Install. It's going to go through the regular permissions, of course. Basically, you're allowing Seller Labs to put stuff into your Google Sheet, right? Allow. Okay, excellent. Click Done. We'll close this window. Now, typically we need to refresh before we can see this. And then all we need to do to access that sidebar, that add-on, is come here to Extensions. And then there it is. And then we'll click Connect My Data, or Connect My Account, excuse me. Give it a second. And there you go. The sidebar's pulled up and we're ready to insert a token and a token name. So that's how you find and install the Seller Labs Data Hub Sheets extension. And that's how you use that. So we'll catch you in the next video.